Hey there, Madani here from Gathering Folds. So sometimes I have a little voice in my head that says, well, what if you take this pattern and do it with twists that are bigger and also closer together? And my problem is sometimes I listen to that voice in my head, and that's what landed me here. So fractured tiles here is exactly what I described. Twists that are bigger and closer together than alternating buttons, which was already a fairly difficult tessellation. So here we have our hybrid square twists. We've still got to choose an alignment for the hybrid square, so our fourfold rotational symmetry is pushed out just into these big squares. And we've got twofold rotational symmetry in these smaller, still open squares. But the really cool thing about this one is the backlighting. And it's super clear, like where all these lines are from one side, but then you look at it from the other side and you only see the lines that are outlined on this side. Just so cool.